to the channel. I know you guys are seeing my hair. Yes, this is how my hair is looking right now, but when we're gonna leave to go to work, then you know you'll see a different side of me. I will not be looking this ratchet, but the whole idea of starting off the video now is because we're gonna do a get ready with me for work. So if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure go ahead and subscribe. You know, give this video a big thumbs up like my plot right here. Give a comment down below like this plot down here. Share this video with everybody over here, and be all excited with a subscription to this video like all of my ear over here. So yes, me in a daddy shirt. I went to daddy last night and I took a shower around there. I don't have any clothes, so I had to take one of daddy shirt and I just drop asleep at night. So I mean, whatever. So today we're not gonna focus on all because when we continue this video I will be not looking this so at the end I'll be looking a little spruce up or something. So yeah, sorry, today Friday, you know you gotta work. Friday in general you want to have a, you know, yeah, the type of vibe there. So we're gonna see what I can find to look the type of, because I, to be honest, I don't have any work clothes. People, no work clothes, no whatsoever, no work clothes. So it's so bad because I actually have to go to work, as in teacher work, next week, and I might have to go shopping. So anyways, let's see what I can find in all that I have. Let's go. Alright, so this is my drawer right here that I came to carry. I made the one little organized and put all the little work stuff them in there. So grandma gave me the shirt the other day. Grandma gave me this shirt with this rose, but I'm still not really wear no more. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this to go work today. I was measuring this the other day. This bottom right here. But with which top? I was thinking about this top, but I don't want to wear this top. But I want to wear the top there. The sad thing is that most of my clothes are really some hot. Like this section of drawer, is the all them dryer. And I just, this drawer alone, I've looked at work related stuff. All over this I have drawer as well. But I just alone I've looked at work related stuff. So. Alright, what do I got? What do I got? The other day I was trying this and this seemed not to can fit me, so I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay guys, I came to the final decision that, listen, I'm gonna wear this right here with this right here. My camera with the Wally Pass searching and whatever, so I'm just gonna stick to that today because I have been considering if I'm going to work or if I'm not going to work, but I have to go because I was trying to process a transaction and I see the price looks so high, so I have to probably go change all of that and then see what I can find. So I have to go to work. Oh my god. So this is what I'm gonna go with. But my bed is really messed up, so I'm gonna clean it. So now you see it like this, and then now you don't. So bed is made. Yes, so yeah, so bed is made, and I just have the clothes I'm wearing today right at the end right there. So now it's time to go ahead and take a shower. I already had breakfast from this morning. Now that me have videoed the bed, I realized that the bed don't make properly, but the pillow part look really, you know, but it's okay. So I'm going to take a shower now and then get my hair done. So as you guys can see, I do look fresh, I do look clean, but my ear is still mad. Yeah, but then I support fresh and clean. I can see it, I can feel it, I can smell it. Anyways, I go ahead and brush my teeth. I do not have a tripod here, so I read that. I open a rain that, you know, because if the rain comes down, I'm not going anywhere. Do not have that vibe, people. Do not have that energy. Behave like say I work with somebody. behave. Trust me. If you decide, say, you listen, you're working with yourself, so you're just not gonna go, then you will continuously have that vibe daily. But may I work with somebody, so may I have to hurry up. So me want hold the phone. So you're mega do know. I put the toothpaste on my mouth first, and then no. Let's no. What can I do? Let me put the toothpaste and come back. So I'm done brushing my teeth and clean. My mouth feel fresh. I can smell that down. Fresh bad. My mouth look clean. My face feel clean. I need to comb my ear now. So where's the comb? Why mommy always leave her ear in the comb? Like hold on, people. So I'm just gonna pull out them plaits here. What happened, you see, my hair has to be plait before bed. If I say I'm wearing the puffs to work daily, and if I decide that okay, one night I'm gonna go to bed and not plait my ear, I have like a bad feeling. I'm like, where that come from? My attack me like a bad feeling just attack me, and then my ear like one. What that? Bug come out. Sure. Yeah. I'm a towel I drop off. Hold on, the people. Hold on. So where was I? Where were we? Yeah. So when mama decides I'm not gonna plait the ear, then a problem in a paradise. If one night I decided I'm not plait the ear. Last night I had to beg mommy plait it out, and she literally was sleepy when she plait it. Hey, I got this clip of mommy from Snap where mommy asleep. I'm gonna say, mommy, wake up, go your bed. I'm gonna insert that snap in this video right here. Mommy, go your bed. So mommy literally closed her eyes right after she done put out the ear, because sleep that kill her before. So people, alright, here I'm gonna come out this and come back to it, because I don't have nowhere to put up the phone. Like I don't have no tripod here, I don't have nothing here, so I'm gonna have to come. I can't let everything one time. It's gonna be a problem. So let me come into it and come back as well. Okay, so I finished coming up the ear, and I'm gonna see if I find the thing. Darkness. I'm gonna see if I find the thing that I used to put around my hair to have it in the puff. So it might be my bag, it might not be my bag, because I took it out. Dirty clothes. That I took it out of my dad's, one of my father's yard. Oh my god, the card machine I charged last night. I have to plug it in right now. This is dead, completely dead. So I have to plug it in right now. And then I'm gonna see something me will sketch up my hair to make it in a puff. Mr. One picking beside of me. Impoil. So guys, this is the hair. That ear I have. This is the mosquito. This is the ear I have. Let me look out the mirror a second. Anyway, this is the ear I have, and you guys remember when I was bald? Literally bald. No, I'm not bald anymore. I have hair. Anyways, I'm gonna comb my hair and get dressed, because it's almost 12 o'clock and I should have been at work from 10 o'clock. So it's just a realistic calm morning in my life. Every morning me LATE. Bad habit. So my hair is all done, but I'm super indecisive about what I want to wear. So let me give you guys I like an option, which by the time I see the video, I already made my decision already. But comment down below which one you would have worn, if it makes sense to you, because I already wear me one we already. But so I found this one right here, and then I have this one right here. This kind of got more with this, but I think this I got bun me more than this. But anyway, let's see what really happens, right? Let's try it out and see which one actually look more suitable to go. So guys, it's a whole change of outfit right now. Me have got to change the world clothes because what? Look here. I'ma show you and tell me if you can see the difference. Just look, have a look. The one I'm about to splash out, I'm not about to yet. Yeah. I'm not batty yet. I'm not saying I don't have the batty at all, but I don't have the batty yet. The one that's some people that can't, but this can't wear. I have to find something else. And the end result ended out in me putting on a dress. See it there? Yeah, a dress. I'm not planning on staying long there because I gotta go somewhere. So I'm just gonna roll with this dress for today. Anyways, you see the Bahamas up me here, the passion fruit and banana flower 24-hour moisturizer body lotion pure. Then my Spanish talking something. Bath and Body Works. Yes, my name the panic because my best friend sent it come to me and she had to tag my name on it to make sure I get it. Anyway, this is the something here, the Bath and Body Works. People, me recommend it. It's nice, it's sweet. Take me serious. This Bahamas passion fruit and banana flowers Bath and Body Works lotion is very nice, very, very nice. I recommend it. I 100% recommend it. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna grab my bag, head to the door because it's 2 minutes to 12 and I should have been at work at 10 o'clock. So wow. So guys, I'm at work. I'm here at work, opening the blinds because something wrong with the light. Something they called the light yesterday. So my fan now go run. Look at the fan right here, so and the light up there so now go work. So this is where I'm gonna end out the video for today. As I said before, I won't be doing a lot today. I will organize in the background, but I do have lights. The lighting is okay. I won't be staying here for long, so that's okay. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe. Like this video, share this video until another video or a vlog. Bye guys.